in a jacket of steel. Between the thunder and the mud, I could feel the ghost of your laughter, the scent of your hair. I breathed in the smoke, but I saw you there. 10,000 miles from the land of my birth, I fought for a flag, I fought for the earth. Thinking of home, of the light in your window, while the shadows of war were starting to grow. I touched the ground, the dust was the same. I shouted your house, I shouted your name. We acoustic strings are a feverish beat as I'm running through the ghosts of my old street. But the lights were on for another man, a silver-tongued lover with no dirt on his hands. While I was in hell, he was dancing with you, a shallow romance, a love that's untrue. I gave my soul for the peace of this land, and I'm holding the wreckage in my bed. I turned on my heel, I didn't say a word. The loudest silence I've ever heard. I took the next flight back to the sky, leaving the ruins of a beautiful life. But when I stepped down, weary and torn, in the hangar of shadows before the dawn, there she was from a life long ago, a flame from a fire I thought didn't glow. She didn't ask why, she didn't ask where, just the gold in her eyes and the wind in her hair. She took my hand, she took my pain and drove me away through the silver